What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'll be showing you how you can deposit or fund your Trading212 account using Google Pay. So let's get started. Now first off, once you open up your Trading212 app, you would just need to tap on the three horizontal lines in the bottom right corner. Now from here select the deposit funds button right here. And on this page, if you just scroll down a bit, you would be able to see Google Pay option. So to send money to Trading212, just go ahead and tap on that Google Pay option. Now you can select the amount of funds that you would like to transfer using Google Pay. So let's say 10 euros, then click on next. And once you click next, this Google Pay window will load up. So on the Google Pay window, you can select your payment method, so the card that you connected to Google Pay. Now, once you select the card, you can just go ahead and tap Pay. And from there, the funds will be transferred from that card to your Trading212 account using Google Pay. So that's guys how you can use Google Pay to fund your Trading212 account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.